My name is Carl, and I'm the operations manager here at Creston. My team and I are the ones working hard to make your experience with Creston as friction-free as possible.
It is my job to make sure that Creston leverages every available possibility to buy your tooling at the best possible price and make sure that it arrives on time and exactly as you expected. With daily service level reviews by customer, we are constantly finding ways to drive out cost and drive service up.
We offer flexible delivery options ranging from express delivery, UPS, FedEx, LTL, and our very own in-house fleet.
We aren't afraid to invest in our customers with inventory valued in the millions at our main site and on our smaller satellites located within our customers. We work to balance those investments with appropriate drop shipments and spot buys. We are also performing ongoing reviews for each customer, analyzing their actual performance versus forecasted, always making sure appropriate mins and maxes are maintained. Bottom line, we are constantly working to make sure we get you the right tooling at the right price.
I'm also responsible for our inside sales team. They work to help you identify the right tool at the right price, and delivery is on time. We have recently implemented a case management system that will allow us to measure our performance in critical areas and allow us to seek to improve areas where we need improvement. Just know that once you submit your order, we've got your back. To learn more, click the link below or contact your Creston sales rep.